Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Sephora, and on this channel we talk about everything that makes me feel beautiful, which is usually fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And today I have a self-care haul. I have been yearning for spring, like I'm sure a lot of you have also. I feel like after Christmas we need to move straight on into spring, especially since this year has been completely different. I can't leave that, well, I can leave the house, but it's just not the same. At least in prior years, I was able to justify the cold by being cozy. Like going to eat at restaurants with fireplaces. One of our favorite restaurants has a really cozy fireplace in the restaurant, which you can't go in. We could go see friends, our family, both of our mothers, my husband and my mom have fireplaces. It just makes it warm, and that's just something we can't do this year. So I'm just ready to get to spring so I could be outside and just be comfortable. So I said all that to say that I am preparing for spring. Like I told you guys before, I'm trying to get my weight back down, which I've been doing fairly well with my intermittent fasting and my food choices, and I'm trying to get my skin on my body together. If you watched the last vlog where I told you a little bit more about myself, one of the things I told you is that I have eczema. So I really need to find products that work well with my body and help it look as best as it can. So the first few things are from Sephora. I got this Necessaire body wash that I've been hearing about for so long. There hasn't been a few different scents, but I read someplace that when you have eczema, specifically if you have eczema, you want to stay away from fragrance in your body care. So, which sucks because I love something that smells really good. So I got this in the fragrance free, and I've heard some beautiful things about this body wash. I believe it was $25, and it's a decent size. I've used some already. There's literally no smell, which is good for my eczema and my body, but bad for my shower experience. But I have to choose, right? I have to choose which one is more important. So far I've used it once. I used it yesterday. I do like it. Like I said, there is no smell. If you're sensitive to fragrance, this is something to try. I should have gotten, and I still might get, the body serum that goes with it. I didn't get it because I've been using the Paula's Choice body treatment with a 2% BHA, and I also have the Paula's Choice body lotion with AHAs. So I didn't think that I needed the serum right away, but I am always willing to try something new, so I might still get it. But anyway, yes, I got the fragrance free. I will let you guys know how I feel about it, and yeah. With body care, Angela Denise here on YouTube. If you don't follow her, you totally should. She is a wealth of information. She mentioned these in her last video, so I said that would really work for me. Well, hopefully it would really work for me. These are the Dr. Dennis Gross exfoliating body treatment, a full body facial. So what it is, it's 8 body peeling pads. If you have ever used Dr. Dennis Gross's face pads, I believe this is similar, but it's for your body. I might be completely wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. It's an exfoliating body treatment. There's 8 in here, and you're supposed to use it 2 times a week. Now, I have not tried this yet. I wanted to show you guys before I try it, and then of course I'll get back to you. But I'm hoping that this little pad will, do my whole body. I would hate to have to use 2, because I believe this was $50 something for 8. So if there's 8 in here, it should last a month. So I don't know. Let's see how it works. I also have used the Neogen Lab Bio Peel pads. They're supposed to be used for your face, but I've used them for my shoulders, my décolletage, and I like them, but I'm interested in these because these are made specifically for your body. So I will get back to you. I hope they work well. Guys, I'm preparing for spring. I want to glow and glisten and just be amazing, obviously, for spring. So I'm going to try these, and hopefully they will be in my favorites next month. Let's see. Sticking with body care, I also got this Josie Maran, what is it called? Whipped Argan Oil Body Butter. Again, I got it unscented because eczema. So I have used this. I used this yesterday and I am in love. It literally does not smell. Let me just smell it again. Yeah, it literally doesn't smell like anything. So if you're sensitive to fragrance, this is something you should definitely try. It is just so soft and smooth and velvety and thick, and I even had a little bit of a glow on my body after I finished using this. It was very, very moisturizing. So yeah, this is actually my first Josie Maran product. I don't know why or where I've been, but I don't think that this is going to be my last. I wish that I could smell all of the fragrances, and I'm sure they smell delightful. I just can't do it until I get this under control. So for those of us that are kind of struggling here with skin issues, this is it says organic argan oil, synthetic fragrance-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, formaldehyde-free, vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, and recyclable. I'm very excited to try this and to have this, and I like that it's a little bit of luxury that I can use that's unscented. So yeah, I'll get back to you. So far, so good. But before we go any further, have you subscribed yet? I know that there are tons of other videos that you could be watching on the internets, but you have chosen to watch mine, and that's just fabulous. So in my last, I believe, my 2020 favorite video, someone mentioned to me, or I mentioned to you all, again, that I love the Way body scrub. And someone mentioned to me that Way also had a body oil. So I love when you guys mention things to me and suggest that I use things. So I went and got this one from Sephora, like I need an excuse to buy something. But this is the Way Rose Hair and Body Oil. I have used quite a bit of it already. And I am in love. It is not too oily. I don't have to use a lot. I give it 1 or 2 pumps, and it covers my shoulders and my legs. I usually do it in the shower. After I wash everything is, done and shaved and scrubbed and everything. I put my oil on. So I still go between the Trader Joe's oil that I've talked about many, many times, and now this is lovely. It is not as oily as the Trader Joe's one, which I don't mind a little bit being too oily because I'm dry, guys. I'm very dry. So if something is too oily, I don't hate it because I know that eventually it would absorb into my skin. Like I said, I'm super duper dry. My point is, it's not that oily, or not as oily as the Trader Joe's one, but it still works very, very well. If you were ever interested in this Way body oil, I would say try it. What can you lose? I am a person who sticks to what I know. So as far as my skincare, I usually stick to my Paula's Choice. As far as my foundation, I usually stick to my NARS, even though I've recently tried other foundations. I stick to what I know. So when Tatcha started to get more recognition, I wanted to try it, but I also was afraid that it would somehow go against what I've been doing with my skin. So I figured an easy way to get into the brand is to try their face masks. I got 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin face masks, and I have heard such good things about this brand and about this particular product. And what's great is it says it's good for normal to dry skin, which I am between both. Well, it depends, but I'm between both. I got 2 as opposed to the 4-pack just because, or was it a 5-pack? Just because I was trying to save money, and I also didn't know if I really wanted to try it. I will try this tonight, and if I love it, I obviously will buy more. I am a lover of face masks. I haven't used one in a while, but I think it's vital to any self-care routine. And yeah, let's see how I like Tatcha. If you've used this, I would love to know, or anything from Tatcha, I would love to know what you like, or give me some suggestions of other Tatcha products that I should try. I know they recently came out with a new serum, but I'm caught up in what I already know, you know. But I do need to branch out. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Okay, so in my last perfume video, I told you guys that I won't be buying any more perfume for at least a month or two. This is not technically a bottle of perfume. It's a sample. It was $25 and I wanted to try it, okay? So I feel like I'm still, you know, within that no buy, kind of. This is the Kayali Deja Vu White Flower. They have these little bitty tiny ones on Sephora. And I thought it was interesting because this is the other one that I wanted to smell. This is a good little sample for $25. What I love about this sample is that it has a spray. A lot of times with samples, you have to dip it on your wrist. This one actually comes with a spray. And it's a decent amount of juice in the bottle. It's literally just a smaller size than this big one. And I think it's just adorable. So I got, like I said, I got the Deja Vu White Flower scent. And unfortunately, I am not impressed. I don't like it. Something about it smells too... Hold on, let me spray it. Something about it smells too old school to me, or I'm not sure. I just don't like it. I'm glad I only got a little sample. It might be something that I throw in my bag just in case I forget to put on perfume before I leave, which almost never happens. But so far from the kayali, I love the musk. The vanilla is okay. This one I don't love. I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to return it because it was $20, but I'm thinking that maybe I will like it better during the warmer months. I don't know, guys. I'm not that impressed. I'm not that impressed. If you are looking for something that's a little different and you want kayali, I would definitely get the little travel size, or the little sample size, I guess, of the musk. That's just something that I like. And yeah, if you like florally scents, why not? It's $25. You might as well try it. And the last thing I got, I have been looking at for a while. I believe I also might have got this idea from Angela Denise. I'm telling you guys, she has a lot of information and she knows a lot about different products. I think it was her. I'm pretty sure. But anyway, I got this from Malone. And look how beautiful this is packaged. It's just so cute. This is a nice gift, right? Which I am fairly new to. I've had a Malone candle recently, and I don't know why I haven't gotten really deep into the brand, but I am now trying this. This is the Malone Velvet Rose and Oud Dry Body Oil. This doesn't count as a scent, right? Because I didn't get the perfume. I didn't get the fragrance. This shouldn't count as a fragrance. But it is amazing. I love it. I used it yesterday. The smell is beautiful. It actually kind of reminds me of MFK's Oud Satin Mood, and it's probably the oud that I'm smelling. This is Velvet Rose and Oud, and I think there might be rose in Oud Satin Mood. So I don't have the scent that I think goes with this, because I said I'm not going to buy it. I said I'm not going to buy any more fragrances, but I am thinking about layering this with Oud Satin Mood to see how that blends, because it really smells very similar to me. Again, it's not too oily. It's a beautiful dry down. It leaves a little bit of a sheen, a little bit of a sheen, and a little bit of a smell. It's just beautiful. And look how beautiful this packaging is, you guys. I mean, if you ever need a gift, this is the way to go. It's so pretty. And I'm not gonna throw this box away because I think it's gorgeous. Yeah, this is my second Malone purchase, and so far, so good. Anyway, guys, that is everything. I have really been excited and trying to get back into my little body care routine, especially for spring is coming up. Get your feet together, y'all. Get your skin together. And just be prepared. We have, what, 6-7 weeks? That's enough time to try to get everything together, right? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, Please subscribe. I love when you guys leave comments. I love it. I love talking to you guys. I love to hear your experiences, what you like. I love suggestions. You guys are going to make me spend all of my money, but I love suggestions. And yeah, I love this little community that we have built here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.